Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, two popular figures from Jamaican entertainment industry remain in custody in the United States following their arrest last week for allegedly drug trafficking. Wow. Among those arrested is 37-year-old disc jockey and entertainment Crazy Chris from Montego Bay. Chris, whose given name is Christopher Samuels, was arrested in North Carolina on cocaine charges on Tuesday, November 6, by the Charlotte Mecklenburg Police Department. Arrested is stylist 25-year-old Keshawn Hawthorne, who was booked on drug traffic charges following his arrival at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport in North Carolina on Sunday, November 4th. According to U.S. media reports, Hawthorne arrived in Charlotte on a flight from Montego Bay. A white, powdery substance that field tested positive for cocaine was discovered during an inspection of his luggage. The police said 2 days later, Samuels landed at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport, also from Montego Bay, and was detained after it was determined that he used his luggage to smuggle cocaine. So I guess one rat the other out. The total weight of the cocaine seized from the Jamaicans were more than 6 pounds. It had an estimated street value of US $90,000. Both men were arrested for importation of a controlled substance and turned over to home security investigators. Samuels was subsequently stopped with charges of possession with intent to sell and deliver cocaine and 2 counts of trafficking cocaine. The specific charges against Hawthorne are not immediately clear. I guess Hawthorne is about to cut a deal with them because he was the first one that got caught, and I guess I'm assuming that he ratted out Crazy Chris. I don't know the specific, I don't know the details. That's just my theory as somebody from the outside looking in. And if you guys didn't know, Hawthorne is actually Yanique the Curvy Diva's stylist, and Yanique was like, she was contacting him because she needed his opinion on a few outfits that she had to do some events in, and she didn't get him. And then when she looked on her TV screen, she saw him on her TV. So I don't know why they choose North Carolina, and I'm gonna read some of these comments. And it says, it's only me. Of all the places, North Carolina. And then somebody says, idiots for sure. Budger Brown said, you be surprised of all the shit that goes on there. It's worse than South Carolina. Charlotte is a big city. The blind can figure out more people are involved. Start at Montego Bay Airport. Custom officer to security guard to baggage handlers. Them no say orange. Head serious, kiss me teeth. Somebody say, I hope these two get 25 years each. These stupid fools, the bantan coming out and them going in. Them a take turn. Money hungry, them want show off on people. So long. BS, bro. I just saw the man yesterday on Hope Road here in Jamaica. His name is spelled Crazy Chris, blah, blah, blah. Everybody, I wonder if it's Crazy Chris from Tambourine Radio. They're going back and forth, but honestly, I don't know why they choose to go to North Carolina or South Carolina with stuff like that. You're bound to get caught and they're bound to bury your butt. Okay, so message to the wise and message to us, to other Jamaicans: don't smuggle drugs and come up here. You will get caught and they will dash you away with the quickness. So like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man. Deuces.
priest. Step over, they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over, they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.